Mommy. That's not a good one.
Okay.
That's nothing like your mom. Your mom is exactly like she is forever, and everything will be
I
fine.
know, I'm just looking.
30 seconds.
What does it matter, Bunchen?
Eric! It's all good. Come on, Evan. Here, check out Norse Skubblecrot. It's from the Netherlands. Brilliant stuff. Nor gets lost in time and becomes his own lover.
Mommy eats the family dog? Why would she do that?
Because she's crazy. It doesn't mean anything. Hey, why don't we go to the beach, huh?
30 seconds, Eric's friend.
Abby! My name is Abby.